rebranding your PLR. In this video, it's all about the chapter headings. Sometimes you leave it and sometimes you don't. What's the difference? I'll show you an amazing tool that I use all the time, and it'll save you so much time and effort. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. I did a video about how to change the book covers. There's a link above my head and you can take a look at it. And I showed you how to change the book covers and even the front page, which went from there to there. Since then, I also changed the top and the bottom of each page. I just changed the color, and you don't need a whole video just for that. So today, it's all about the chapter headings. Sometimes you leave it, sometimes you want to change it. And I'm using a tool, Conversion AI. And there's a robot, called Jarvis, who's amazing. There's a link below this video if you want to take a look at it. This is inside Jarvis, and I'm going to use just one of the tools, but this is amazing. You can change not just headlines, but you can change emails, you can change advertising, sales letters. You know, Jarvis can do a lot. So take a look at it. I use it all the time, and it's stunningly amazing. So the first heading is 17 keys for creating content that your audience really wants. It's not bad, but I want to see if we can change it. Maybe making it better, maybe just leaving it alone. And I'm going to do this. Now, I just put in head for headline. They have something called the perfect headline, but this isn't just a headline. The headline is to really stop them in their tracks, especially for advertising. I'm going to use this one, website subheadline. I'm going to put the word blogging here, put the headline there, and it's creating content in blogs. Now, the tone of voice, you could make it funny, witty, angry. I just want something useful. Maybe that'll work. And I'm going to try 5 outputs. Generate. All right. This isn't bad. That's actually not bad. So this is the original one, and that's the next one. Now let me just see. So it's not really using templates. So 17 tips and tactics. "17 tips and tactics to create content your readers will love." I like that. And in this ebook, it seems like they're using the passive voice in a lot of the headings. So you're going to see it where it's a little bit better, like to create content your readers will love, as opposed to creating content that your audience really wants. I really do like that. So I'm going to leave that and going to the next one. Now, you might wonder, why would I use a tool like this? The real reason is I really don't want to spend so much time agonizing over all this stuff. If I have a tool that will work, why not use it? Does it make sense? So that's it. It's a personal preference. Some people might want to spend hours agonizing and writing. I'd rather get Jarvis to do it. 7 ideas and insights for making money from your blog. And I'm going to change the voice to, let's try witty. I want to see what happens. Now I'm going to try something where I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to create more content. You know, I like this one. "You have the power to make money with your blog. Here are 17 ideas and insights that will help you get started." You know, I like it. I'm going to change this a little bit. And I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch all that. So I went from this 17 ideas and insights for making money from your blog to you have the power to make money with your blog with 17 ideas that will help you get started. I like it. Let's do one more. All right, now this is actually not bad. 17 types of content your audience is sure to love. I do like it. So I'm going to leave that alone. Now, the author, Jimmy D. Brown, uses the number 17 in the front of all of the headings. I'm not really a fan of that. I might move it around. I might leave it in the front, in the middle, in the back. Who knows? Because it's a little confusing because every chapter, every heading starts with the number 17. If this was yours and you liked it, just leave it. 17 tips, tactics, and templates for creating attention-getting titles. Wow, that's a mouthful. A lot of T's there. Well, let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Okay. You know, I'm going to play around with this one. You know, that's not bad. So this is the original, and this has more purpose. And I put the 17 somewhere in the middle of this. Now, this is a great way to rebrand your PLR. You're really going to change some of it. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this and change the entire book. That's just a waste of time because no one's going to have two things and start comparing them. And if you change the book cover, the logo, and the chapter headings, and especially the end of the book, where you could put your information, I'll show you that in another video, you have a new product, a really good rebranded PLR product for your customers. This is how you make money online. And check out Jarvis. There's a link below this video. I use it. You could really save a lot of time. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.